Hi, good afternoon. David Stolfo with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. We can be reached at 770-614-6968. I'm here today to show us a super nice Crest III 220 tri-toon boat. Love this boat, especially because she's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, which will really pull the boat around nicely. Lots of power, good power to weight ratio with this boat. It's a steel gray exterior color, and then interior wise it has this really nice weathered rustic gray polyvinyl flooring, which really is super nice together. It's got the off gray with the darker gray on the interior, so a real nice color swath there for you. I love this boat in that it has the CP3 performance option with your aluminum underskinning. You've got your lifting strakes. You have your C-Star hydraulic steering, which makes it nice and easy to turn. You've got your Junior Beast ski tow bar there, and a really nice 49-gallon fuel tank, so you can go boating all day in this thing. The helm is really nice with the hours meter. You got your depth finder, your sport aluminum tilt wheel there. The Fusion stereo has the Bluetooth integrated, and it's an all fiberglass helm, so that's really nice. I love very much the Captain's Cooled cup holder that keeps your Country Time lemonade or water nice and cool. So this boat is here in Beaufort, Georgia at MarineMax. We'd love to see you and take you out in the water in the boat and hopefully have you own it. We take trade-ins. We offer financing, so please give us a call, and you can reach MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 770-614-6968. I'm David Stolfo, and thanks for taking a few minutes to look at the boat with me. Have a great day.